I'm about 6:46 right now, and it's really kind of nice out there. This could be one of those weekends when you want to do a camp out or something. A nice campfire going
You go
on.
do it, let us know how it is.
Of course,
Right?
with the drought conditions, you probably might not want to start a campfire. I don't know.
No fires out there. We
Yeah.
haven't had rain, serious rain in a long time. I don't think this weekend is the time for us to get that first bit of rain. I do think we're going to see the temperatures adjust a little bit over the weekend, not quite cannonballing into the fall like weather we're hoping for, but top temperatures today, maybe we don't reach 90, which would be nice. I do enjoy, and I think everyone is really liking these morning numbers and these evening numbers that are falling way back through the 60s, some spots into the 50s, which is where temperatures are supposed to be this time of the day, this time of the year. Now on the futurecast, we're looking for some clouds, looking for some showers. Not going to find very many. Maybe a couple of isolated spots over the weekend, get a sprinkle or two, but that next boundary is going to struggle to get here, which means no sweeping changes and no big rain chances for us. But 59 in Thomasville and in Valdosta, 65 in Tallahassee. Comfortable out there this morning and cooler than it's been. And I think around the region, we're seeing mostly temperatures that are quite a bit lower than they've been. Carabel still hanging on to 73. How about a 54 in Blakely? We're at 58 degrees at Quincy, 57 Monticello. Moultrie's at 61, Perry's at 64. So a little more variety with the temperatures, a little breeze out of the northeast, something we'll notice throughout the day today, but we're not going to call it windy. That boundary, which is bringing some pretty good showers to areas like Arkansas and moving up into the Tennessee Valley, it's going to struggle as it makes its way east. Some of that drier air that has been really firmly entrenched across our part of the country, it's sliding a little further south and a little further away. That's what you see in the orange color here on that water vapor imagery. And so as we start to generate a few clouds over the next couple of afternoons and evenings, I think the daytime highs stay down a little bit, the overnight lows stay up a bit. But with these struggling fronts, we can't get that big change we're looking for. Next chance for a boundary, middle of next week. Maybe that's the one that gets all the way through the area, and maybe that's the one that brings with it some rain chances and some real fall feeling temperatures. I think we've got chances for that next week. As far as for today goes, a little breezy on the Gulf, winds out of the east 12 to 22, and I think that east wind will be something we deal with for most of the weekend. Seas 2 to 4 feet. We'll put a light to moderate chop in the protected waters. Low tides first up starting about 7:15. 50s and 60s in most areas. Sun will be up at 7:37. Going to be a comfortable start to the day, getting warm again this afternoon, but we're not talking huge durations of really high temperatures, so a little bit better, a little bit more October-ish, but normal daytime highs are supposed to be in the low to mid 80s. I think we're still going to get into the upper 80s to near 90, so definitely warmer than normal. Tonight it's more 60s than 50s. I think a few clouds over the next couple of nights. Probably see those overnight temperatures stay a little bit warmer, but still pretty comfortable. Rain chances, they're not going to be zero this weekend, but they're not going to be great. And those daytime temperatures, they should start to cap a little bit. I think better chances for some real changes, guys, maybe next Wednesday.